guys, so today, this is my car, guys. Let's get inside of my car. Guys, this is our Nissan NV350. Let's check inside. Guys, check it out inside. The car, my car inside. Check it out. This is our car's inside, guys. Check it out. Oh, this is our umbrella and suitcase. Guys, I am in the Philippines. Guys, first time I go in Philippines, but my grandmother in Philippines and grandfather. Guys, let's open the door. I will go outside. Guys, I go outside, guys. Our car, guys. I have brand new Nissan Urban, but my money now is 1.8 million. But this Nissan Urban price is 700k, guys. 700k. This car's price 700k, guys. Bye, guys. See you next time for watching my video. Like and share and subscribe, guys. Bye, guys. Share in the comment, like and subscribe. This car price 700k. Bye now, guys. Bye, guys.